Hello everyone. In this video I want to show you how to use Google Drive videos in our Gutenberg editor as in the Gutenberg video blog or in the section background like this, as you can see here. Okay. First, upload your video in Google Drive, share it, make it accessible to the public. Here, anyone with the link, make this change here. You see the icon, this icon means it is public, and anyone with this link, file link, can access this video. So after making these changes, copy the link. Okay, and here paste it here. What we need is this video ID. This is ID of this file. Copy this and replace it here. And this direct one, this is Google Drive direct file URL, and I have shared this URL in the description below, and you can just replace this file ID with your video file ID. Okay, copy that URL, and here you can insert it. Insert from URL. Okay, like this, or in the section layout, section background. Here in the background setting, video, insert the video URL. Okay, like this. So yeah, this mode is self-hosted video mode. Instead of hosting your video in your web hosting server, you are hosting this video in a Google Drive and use it as a self-hosted video on your Gutenberg editor. And why should we use Google Drive videos? I do not need to talk much about it. This is for website performance. Most of our WordPress websites are hosting in the shared servers, shared hosting accounts. So if you're hosting the video in your hosting share server, then it may slow down your website. It may compromise your website performance. So to maintain the website performance, to speed up your website, you need to host your video in the cloud server. That's why we host in Google Drive. And if your website hosting is cloud server, cloud hosting account, then you do not have this problem. You can host in your server in your web hosting account. Yeah, and I hope you find this short video helpful. If you find any issues, any doubts, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And if you like this video, thumbs up, give a thumbs up, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, see you in the next episode.